Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen design and functionality. Today, we're diving into the heart of your culinary domain, the kitchen faucet. Often overlooked but essential for daily tasks, a great faucet can truly elevate your cooking and cleaning experience. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 kitchen faucets on the market that are sure to enhance both functionality and style in your kitchen. So, let's get started. Our first contender is the Delta Faucet Leland single-handle kitchen sink faucet. This elegant yet practical faucet combines timeless design with modern functionality. Its single-handle lever allows for easy control of both water temperature and flow, while its high arc spout provides ample space for filling and cleaning large pots and pans. One standout feature of the Delta Leland faucet is its patented diamond seal technology, which ensures leak-free performance and durability. Say goodbye to annoying drips and constant maintenance. Additionally, this faucet offers touch-clean spray holes, making it a breeze to clean away mineral buildup with just the swipe of a finger. Whether you're washing dishes or filling a pasta pot, the Delta Faucet Leland is a reliable and stylish choice that will seamlessly integrate into any kitchen decor. Here are some of the key features of the Delta Faucet Leland single-handle kitchen sink faucet. Pull-down spray head for easy cleaning. Single-handle design for easy operation. Available in a variety of finishes. Lifetime limited warranty. Users mentioned that the faucet is easy to install and looks great in their kitchen. Some also mentioned that the spray head is powerful and the water flow is smooth. However, a few users reported that the hose is not very long and the finish can scratch easily. Overall, the Delta Faucet Leland single-handle kitchen sink faucet is a good choice for homeowners who are looking for a traditional style faucet with modern functionality. It is easy to install and use, and it comes with a lifetime limited warranty. However, it is important to consider the length of the hose and the finish before making a purchase. Next up, we have the Moen-Arbor MotionSense touchless kitchen faucet, a game changer for busy cooks who crave convenience and innovation. This futuristic faucet features not one, but 2 sensors that allow for hands-free operation, perfect for when your hands are full or messy from cooking. With a simple wave of your hand, you can activate the water flow, making tasks like filling pots or rinsing vegetables effortless and hygienic. The Moen-Arbor also boasts a high-arc pull-down spout, providing maximum flexibility and reach in your sink area. MotionSense technology. This hands-free activation system uses 2 sensors to detect hand movements and turn the water on and off automatically. This is a great feature for people who want to avoid touching the faucet with dirty hands, or for those who have difficulty gripping a handle. Power Clean Spray technology. Spot resist finish. Reflex system. Duralock Quick Connect system. Overall, the Moen-Arbor MotionSense 2 sensor, touchless, one-handle high-arc pull-down kitchen faucet is a well-made and feature-rich faucet that would be a great addition to any kitchen. However, it is also one of the more expensive faucets on the market, so it is important to consider your budget before making a purchase. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Moen-Arbor MotionSense 2 sensor, touchless, one-handle, high-arc pull-down kitchen faucet. Pros. Cons. Installation is a breeze with Moen's Duralock Quick Connect system, which ensures a secure fit without the need for tools. Plus, with its spot-resist stainless finish, this faucet resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping your kitchen looking pristine with minimal effort. For those who value convenience without compromising style, the Moen-Arbor MotionSense faucet is a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Kraus Bolden Commercial Kitchen Faucet, a powerhouse of performance and industrial chic design. Constructed from heavy-duty materials, this faucet is built to withstand the demands of a busy kitchen environment. The Kraus Bolden features a commercial-style open coil spout, adding a professional touch to your home kitchen. Its single-handle design allows for effortless temperature and flow control, while the high-arc spout provides ample clearance for even the largest pots and pans. But what truly sets the Kraus Bolden apart is its PRE rinse spray function, which delivers powerful water pressure to tackle stubborn stains and food residue. Whether you're scrubbing dishes or prepping ingredients, this feature makes quick work of tough tasks. Additionally, the Kraus Bolden comes in a variety of finishes to suit your personal style, from classic stainless steel to bold matte black. In summary, the Kraus Bolden commercial kitchen faucet offers professional-grade performance with a touch of industrial flair, making it a standout choice for serious home chefs. Industrial-inspired open coil spout for a professional look. 18-inch height fits comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. Available in 5 finishes: stainless steel, brushed gold, chrome, matte black or black stainless steel. Functionality. Additional features. Pros. Cons. Overall, the Kraus KPF1610SS Bolden single-handle 18-inch commercial kitchen faucet is a well-made and stylish faucet that offers a variety of features for both form and function. If you are looking for a faucet that will make a statement in your kitchen and make everyday tasks easier, then the Bolden is a good option to consider. And there you have it, folks, the top 3 kitchen faucets that are sure to revolutionize your cooking space. Whether you prioritize elegance, innovation, or durability, there's a faucet on this list to suit your needs and elevate your kitchen to new heights. So, which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!